Chris Ngumi online mathematics lesson. Today I am in Glory Digital Academy, which we used to have it online, but today I am here live. And the academy is at Christ Apostolic Church, opposite Ijek, Sabo, Kaduna. Now, for you to join the online class, you can private chat me. Thank you. Because we are looking at simultaneous equation. I would say simultaneous equation. The name for it is systems of equation. Is that okay? And we said there are different methods of solving a simultaneous equation. One of the methods we said is elimination method, substitution method, graphical method, and matrix method. Now in this class, we want to introduce to you the elimination method. Now, the elimination method, for this class, we said what is elimination? Is to make one of the unknown to be zero. One of the unknown to be zero. In my last class, I have made x to be 0. So today, we want to make y to be 0. And we said for y to be 0, this coefficient here must be the same. Because in algebra, for an algebra to be 0, the algebra must be the same. That okay, must be a like term. Another thing that we will consider again when you are to eliminate y is the sign. The sign here. So when the signs are the same, if the signs are the same, we say you subtract. But if the signs are different, that means the signs are the same here, means if here is plus plus, then that means you are subtracting. If here is minus minus, that means you are also subtracting. But if this one is plus or minus, then you are adding. If it is minus or plus, you are also adding for you to have it 0. Another thing again you should consider is this number. This number must also be the same. The same in which sense? It must be similar. That means what number you are having here, you must have it here. And how do you do it? You say you get the LCM of the coefficient. The LCM of the coefficient. Take note, coefficient is with the sign here. But the number we are talking about here to find LCM, we are not considering the sign. So we are going to find LCM of 3 and 5. Is that okay? So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? If you know it, raise up your hand. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? Yes? 15. Very good. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So therefore, the first thing you have to do, you will number the equation. So this is equation 1, and this is my equation 2. So here I will come, because I want to eliminate y, I will say, because the LCM is, I want to have 15 here. That means if I multiply 3 by 5, I will have 15. And if I multiply 5 by 3, I'm going to have 15. So I will come here and write equation 1 multiplied by 5, so that I have 15 here. And this 5, we have to multiply to the equation. That means we must multiply all the terms. Multiply this 2x, multiply this 3y, multiply this 7 to balance. Because nature says you cannot create anything and destroy it. So you must balance. So that's what we're going to do. So here now, we are multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3 to have 15 here. So let's multiply equation 1 by 5. So 2x times 5 is what? 10x. So we have 10x here plus this will give you plus 15y equals to 5 times 7, we have 35. So this becomes equation 3. you number it like that. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, respectively, depending on the nature of the question. Is that okay? So here also, for this one too, we are multiplying it by equation 2 by 3. So that we can have 15 here. So 3 times x will give me 3x. 3 times plus 5y will give me plus 15y is equals to 3 times 0 will give me 0. So this will give me equation 4. Is that okay? Now you check the sign, as we said, check the sign. The signs are the same, that is positive. That means we have to subtract. Sometimes you have fun of writing subtraction here. But I prefer it to come here. When you have done it like this, come here and also write equation 3 minus equation 4. Is that okay? So we are subtracting the terms. So that means this minus this, this minus this, this minus this. So that means for this place here, already we have 0 there. Because this 0 signifies we have eliminated y. So here we come and say 10x minus or plus 10x minus plus 3x. The answer is 7x. So 7x. So this minus this already gives us 0 equals to 35 minus 0 will give me 35. So 0 means nothing. So we can say 7x is equals to 35. So here we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So when we divide, x is equals to 35 divided by 7. So x is equals to 5. Is that okay? Now, this next thing you have to do here now, you have to look at these 4 equations. But if you look at these 2 equations are multiple of 3 or 5 and 8. So it's easier to substitute in any of these. But even if you substitute here, you still have the same value of y. So here you come and say substitute x equals to 5 into equation. Some students are not writing the equation. You don't need to write that one. Just write the number and circle it. It's known that it's an equation. So which number do we substitute the value of x to obtain y? This is equation 2. So, but equation 2 is preferable, but you can also use equation 1. So let's use equation 2. So here we're going to say substitute into equation 2, cycle it like this. So therefore we have x plus 5y equals to 0. So x plus 5, y is, okay, and substituting x is equals to 5, is that also? So here now we're going to make x to be 5. So I have 5 plus 5y equals to 0. Now this is 5 here, 5 is on the left hand side. Because to collect like terms, this 5 must come and meet this colleague here on the right hand side. And it's positive here. So when it comes here, it becomes negative. So let's extend this place. We're going to have 5y will be equals to 0 minus 5, except as minus 5. So you divide both sides by 5, we're going to have minus 5 divided by 5. So y will be equals to minus 1. So therefore, we said that our x is equal to 5 and our y is equal to minus 1. I always instruct students to put it in coordinate form. So for it to be in coordinate form is an ordered pair where x value from the x-axis comes first, then y value from the y-axis comes second. So here our x is 5, so I'll put 5 here for my minus 1. Yes. So any question in the class? Any question? So I'll be giving you work to do. So that work is what we want to explain now. Is that okay? So I have in the question that I've given you so far, we have work. X plus y equals to 2 and 3x minus y equals to 20. Now this is the work I would love you to go and do now. And you are going to eliminate, that's one method, eliminate x. Eliminate x. When you finish, you get the answer 2. When you finish that one, eliminate x. You also manipulate to eliminate y. Do you understand? You are doing two things here. You are eliminating x to also find x and y. In another method again, you are going to eliminate y to find x and y. Is that clear? Well, let's sample from your opinion. If assuming you want to eliminate x, here, let's assume someone is confused or don't understand. Want to eliminate x, what are we supposed to do? If you know it, raise up your hand. You want to eliminate this x here. Want to eliminate this x. Want to solve this simultaneous equation using elimination method. And we want to eliminate x. What are we supposed to do to eliminate this x? Yes. Okay, you're not speaking out of I can hear you behind. Okay, very good. Clap for him. So what he's saying here is that the coefficient of x is 1 or plus 1 and plus 3. That the LCM of plus 1 or 1 and 3 is 3. So for you to have this one to be the same, that means you have to multiply equation 1 by 3. You do it and solve it the way we solve for this example here. But in this case, our example here we eliminated y because we have eliminated x before. In this one I'm giving you, let me emphasize, you have eliminated x and you have also do another method to eliminate y. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what have we explained here? We talk about how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. First thing we said you are supposed to do, you are supposed to number the equation. That means you must identify the equation. So the first one, we say equation 1, the second one, equation 2. And we said, look at the coefficient of the variable you want to eliminate. So you look at that one, then you choose, like here now, as we have explained here now, for us to have 3 here, then we are multiplying equation 1 by 3. But equation 2 will be the same, because already we have 3 here. And take the way you are multiplying 3, you are multiplying equation 1 by 3, you are multiplying all the terms. Is that okay? Another thing that we said, you should also check is that you check the coefficient, the sign of the coefficient, the sign here are positive. If they are positive, or if all of them are negative, then we say you have to subtract. But if they are different signs, either plus or minus plus, then you have to add for that unknown to be 0. Another thing that I would like to see that I also say, you must show this step where you're going to substitute the value of any unknown that you are gotten into the other one. You must show this step. Then you solve it. So at the end, we said put your value of x in coordinate form. We say coordinate form is an ordered pair where x comes first, followed by y. In this form, x, y, which is represented in a Cartesian plane. Any question? I saw the issue raise up your hand. So thank you, and you have a nice day. Next week I will not be around physically, I will be online.